Let's make a dog face plate with these materials. First, let's cut out an oblong oval as long as the length of an adult hand from reddish brown A4 paper. It kinda looks like a potato. Cut out one more by tracing the previous oval. Also cut out from the same paper a smaller brown oval. Then cut out another small oval also from black paper. Let's assemble the face. Paste the two ears to the edges of the plate. And then paste the small brown oval on the left side of the face and the black oval horizontally below that. Paste one eye in the brown oval patch and one eye outside of it. Draw a mouth below the nose. Turn it around and now you're done! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.